Losing hair is a cause of concern for both men and women. Bald patches are most visible sign in men. The heredity factors plays a big role, especially when it comes to male pattern balding. In women, other factors like hormonal imbalance lead to thinning of hair. However, what is common to both men and women when it comes to hair loss is stress. Other causes including underlying chronic ailments such as ammonia, typhoid, etc., vitamin B6 and folic acid deficiency, or an unclean scalp. Try using these simple ingredients available in the kitchen to help prevent hair loss. Remedy 1. Boil a cup of mustard oil. To the boiling oil, add 4 tablespoons of henna or mehandi leaves. Remove from heat and let it cool, then strain the oil. Store in a clean bottle and regularly massage this oil on the scalp. Remedy 2. Take an egg yolk, put the yolk in a bowl, add a tablespoon of honey and mix it well. Apply this mixture to the bald patches, leave for at least half an hour and wash off the hair. It is smooth and creamy. Apply on the scalp and let it remain for 30 minutes and wash them. To avoid hair fall, do not comb your hair when it is wet. Oil your hair or twice a week. Oil your hair 1 or twice a week. And remember to massage your scalp well as this stimulates hair growth. Follow these remedies and enjoy a head full of healthy hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.